Okay. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon, wonderful friend. So today I'm coming live to answer some questions I've been getting from people about real estate information I've been posting here on my Facebook. A lot of people have asked me, what is this real estate about? How will I get started? What do I do? Are you sure it's real? Are you sure my money will not hang on the road? So I want to answer some questions about the real estate investment. Okay, so let me start from the first one. What is real estate? Real estate is in putting your money, using your money to buy landed properties or a house, or I think real estate is house or land. Okay. Now, everybody knows that money can only multiply when you invest it. When you put money in the bank, it's not multiplying. Everybody knows that. The only way money can multiply is when you do what? Invest it into something like real estate. And real estate is so wonderful that it increases in value sometimes by 100% within a year or maybe within some months. So you have nothing to lose when you invest in real estate. So today in Portharcourt City, I'm just coming back from our plot allocation. Today we are allocating clients that bought from our Oakwood Prime Estate in Portharcourt. We did full allocation, but the land is not finished. We just did allocation to people that have already gotten their own part so that they will not have to wait for a long time to get their land. And it was massive event, and it was awesome. People were happy. They took their land properties, their land documents, and they went home. That's why I am here to talk about the real estate investment. So who can invest in real estate? Because sometimes young people, when you are talking about real estate, they think that, oh, it's for daddies and mummies. Let me newsflash. The people that are getting landed properties now are even young people that have gotten some money in their hands, and they feel that this money, I don't want to waste it. Let me invest it in something that can multiply. So they come and they get a landed property which can appreciate with time. Okay? And the best time to get a landed property is when you're single. If you are married, fine, and you have the money, wonderful, it's good. Okay? If you're living in Portharcourt and you're not making plans to run away from paying house rent, hey, any city where you are living and you're not making plans to run away from paying house rent in this country, Nigeria, you're not planning well. I'm sorry, but that's the truth. You're not really planning well. You need to plan to run away from house rent. Okay? And the first step is to get a landed property. Get the land first. When you get the land, then you can now start talking of building it. In my company, we sell built houses too. If you're not interested in getting a land, you can get a house that is already built and you buy it like that. So there is no loss when it comes to real estate investment. All it requires is interest. Sometimes it's not even money. Some people have money, but they're not interested because they don't think they need it, or they believe, it's not for me. Are you sure me? How can I have a land in another state? It's in my village. I need to go and build house. I didn't say that building house in the village is not good, but are you living in the village? You're not living in the village. Sometimes some people will even have their brothers have already built houses. They have where they live already in the village, but they still want to go to the village and build another big building so that they will know that they have arrived. It's good. It's perfect. But you need to build something where you are living so that you will get away from the way things are increasing in price. Salary is where it is, so it's still short. But price of feeding has increased, price of transport has increased, everything. The next one now is that landlords will come and increase the rent. So anybody that is living in any city and you're not planning how to get away from paying house rent, you need to start planning it now. And that is why I'm here, to help you make that decision. Housing solution with peace of mind. When you buy a land from capital city development, you are buying peace of mind. Nobody is coming to tell you to pay matching ground or pay bush entry or pay, what else do they pay? All those things they pay for community people, settlement. Nobody is asking to pay all those things. The company has already paid for all those things. All you need to do is to get your land and start building if you are ready to build. Okay, so the places we have here, we have currently capital city real estate development. We are presently in 11 cities in Nigeria. We are currently in 11 cities in Nigeria. We are in Portharcourt, we are in Lagos, we are in Uyo, we are in Jos, we are in Benin, we are in Owerri, we are in Uyo, we are in 11 cities, we are in Abuja. We have lands in Abuja. So wherever you are in Nigeria, we have properties for you. And distance is not a barrier because we have offices wherever you are. All you need to do, let me know where you are, and I will show you the properties we have there. And someone will take you to go for inspection, and you check, and you're not paying for bush entry when you're going for inspection. There's no bush entry in my company. Going for inspection is free of charge. You just come, it will take you in an air-conditioned car, and you go for inspection. It happens on Saturdays. The reason I'm doing this video is because I want to take at least 10 persons for inspection this Saturday. Do you know that if you start now, by December you can be a landowner in any city you are? It's interest, it's not money. Now, when you decide where the land you want to get in my company, how do you get it? First of all, you need to sign the paper. After signing the paper of consent, the initial payment you make is only 100,000 naira. Okay, you make that 100,000 naira payment, and you can now spread your payments based on the payment plan you chose. We have outright payment, which is also within 3 months. We have 6 months plan. We have 12 months plan. So within 3 months, you can become a landowner. Okay? You pay your 100,000 naira, you now go and make plans. Once you put that interest, God will open the doors for you, because God likes people that make investments. That's why He provides for us. Once you make that initial payment, you see that how doors will open and other things will come. So this Oakwood Prime City that allocation was done today, that land is going for 1.35 million naira for 3 months plan. If you are in Portharcourt and you want to go for that one, and it's 1.5 for 6 months plan. But your initial payment, that initial payment guarantees you for us to reserve a plot for you. Okay, initial payment is 100,000 naira. When you make the 100,000 naira payment, we'll reserve your plot for you. You can now spread your payment in 6 months or in 3 months. Isn't that wonderful? So from now, if you plan yourself, before the end of this year, you can become a landowner. It's interest and preparation. So I don't know what it is for you. Do you want to continue paying rent for whatever time it will be? And what I realize that most times people that live in the city, the greatest achievement we do is that we have paid house rent. Once you pay house rent, you say, thank God I have paid house rent. That's the greatest achievement at the end of each year. And that is unfortunate. It's good. At least God has provided that money. But we need to do something extra. This is the last month of the second half of the year, right? first half of the year. We need to make it count. We need to make it count. So I would like to know the city where you're watching this video from, and whether real estate investment is something that you would like to invest in. Okay, what is your budget? What is the type of land you are looking for? Because we have different prices. In Lagos now, there is a hot selling land that is just 650,000 naira at Epe in Lagos. Epe is the new Lekki in Lagos. So if you are living in Lagos, you should get that property. Because when they were selling Lekki, people were playing, a lot of people knew about it, but they were not really serious. They say it's bush. But now Lekki is township. Everywhere that is now township used to be bush. So that place you are calling bush, it will soon be township. Epe is the new Lagos. So if you are living in Lagos, you need to go and get that land. It's 650,000 naira only, and it's hot selling. It will soon be sold out. Okay, in Portharcourt, we have the one that is 900k that will soon be sold out. So wherever you are in Nigeria, whichever city, just let me know the city you are and your budget. We have something for you. We have the different location where you can buy immediately and start building. And the good thing about my company, because me, I don't like trouble. I don't associate with people that have trouble. The good thing about Capital City Estate is that we have credibility. We have it in this business. People that bought land that they have built, they are living in their houses. So you buy and you are buying peace of mind. So let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. We have in different estates: Aba, Ogun State, Jos, Uyo, Benin City, Enugu. We have land in Enugu. We have in Owerri. We have a lot of plots in Owerri. We have in Lagos. We have in Abuja. We have in Lekki. We have the Asaba. We have a land in Asaba. We have in. Just let me know where you're watching from and your interest and your budget. We have something for you. Okay? You are not too young to be a landlord. And other people will be a landlord and they don't have two heads. You too can become a landlord. And I want to help you become one this year. Let's work together. Okay? This is Rostoria Housing signing off and waiting for your comments on the other side. Thank you for watching. My boss, Mitchell, I'm seeing you. Thank you, Mr. Osaf Darifi, for watching. I'm grateful that you're watching me live. Thank you for coming live. I'll be coming more live here on my Facebook. God bless you. Thank you, everyone. And for those that will watch later, let me know the time you watched and let me know your city and your budget. Let's work together. You can become a landlord. It's not difficult. It's not, I don't know how to put it. It's not hard. You can do it. Let's work together. Initial payment is 100k and you spread your payment over 3 months or over 6 months or over 1 year. You become a landlord. Anybody can do it, whether you're single, married, anybody, whether you're a single woman, whether you're a single man, whether you're a married man, whether you're a married woman. You can even buy for your children. It's an investment for them so that when they enter university, you don't need to run around to look for how they will pay school fees. God bless you, everyone. I will be cutting off now, and I will see you in my comment section. I would like to hear what you have to say, and I will respond to you. God bless you.